At SUTD, we take a unique approach. We don't just teach science and engineering separately from humanities, arts and social sciences, but we combine them to solve real-world challenges.
Since SUTD is an engineering and design university, all of our students are engineers, architects, or in design fields. So we teach HASS in a very different way than other universities as well.
Our approach, we call the synergistic model, blends fields like engineering, design, and AI with HASS subjects like philosophy, sociology, and psychology. This means our students learn not just to create cool technology, but solutions that are user-friendly, ethical, and meaningful.
Rather than teaching philosophy in order to get students to be able to write a philosophy book or become philosophers, we actually are teaching them how to use philosophy to question the impact of technology on society, how technology can lead to a good life or a better world. So instead of assigning things like written papers or exams, we often give assignments that are design-based projects. For example, in a history class, you might learn about Roman history and then use that to design historically based video game. Or in another class, we might learn about the role of ethnography in the field of anthropology for understanding cultures, but use that in order to understand how users would interact with the artifact that you've designed.
AI is everywhere, from smart homes to self-driving cars. It's not just about technology, it's about people. That's where HASS comes in. Our Design and AI initiative blends AI with human insights to create solutions that are people-centered and meaningful. Whether our students are designing systems for hospitals, cities, or airports, they are designing for people, and they need to understand how people feel, think, and behave. Take AI in customer service. A chatbot can answer questions, but if it doesn't understand human emotions and needs, people will get frustrated and they leave. So HASS teaches students to build AI systems, not just smart, but also empathetically intelligent. AI is changing the world. That's why we teach our students to ask questions like, how do people trust AI? How do cultural differences affect AI adoption? And what happens when AI decisions go wrong? By combining design, AI, with humanities, arts and social sciences, whether it's designing robots for elderly care or creating AI systems to manage disaster response, we teach students to ask these important questions and to tackle challenges in the future. Our students will be equipped with the human complexities behind the technology.
We're lucky that we have a lot of ranges of HASS mods. There's AI ethics. So in that we really understand that the artificial intelligence that we're using, that we're implementing, how to implement it the most ethical and moral way possible, and what are the impacts of these applications and the technologies we create. So it kind of gives us an awareness of what we're creating and whether we're creating something that's actually good for society, or is it ending up harming us in a way we never thought yet.
So the HASS I took last term was about surveillance in modern Asia, which is essentially surveillance is now in the hands of companies. And a lot of these companies are companies that CSD students are gunning for, like Google, Facebook, Apple, and the way they make use of the data they have of you to influence your behaviors, influence the way you do things, and how this power is also moved out of the hands of governments. It's kind of good to think about the moral implications of what I might be helping to contribute in the future.
So the best designers and engineers are not just great at coding or creating products. They are great at understanding people. HASS helps students to design great products and technologies that people actually want to use. It's a secret ingredient that takes a good idea and makes it great.